Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss why you should not touch your ads all the time because you are ruining actually your results. The reason that I'm doing this video is because I have access right now in one ad account that I can see this pattern of touching the ads, doing the ads, closing them the next day if they don't have results, and so on and so on. I'm going to show you on the live account how this is happening and why it's a bad strategy and what you should do. And also keep into your mind that when you are having new ad account, your new pixel is going to be a little bit like not trained and you will not have consistency, so a lot of times people go and close. And yeah, I will show you everything there. We will discuss it there. Let's go to my PC. So let me show you on this ad account what is happening. So in this month only we have how many days, guys? We have from 1 to 16th, we have how many campaigns? 23 campaigns. I did just 5 minutes ago one optimization video that I was showing different stuff. I was spending 20k per day and I had 40 campaigns there. How can you have 23 campaigns with just spending 100 or 200 per day? It doesn't make any sense. So what we're seeing here is decisions, fast decisions. So here it spent 85, it closed it. It didn't support it at all. Let's see also the traffic and stuff. So the traffic was the same. Let's say that this one, okay, that has different cost of per unique link click. Let's say that you can close, but these are similar, okay? So it doesn't make any sense. So we come here and we can see, we are having this one 58. Then we have another one that it has spent 290, 1.9 ROAS, but then it was closed fast. Then another spending 100, most probably it was closed and it was having another sale. So another campaign with 83 only spent 2.4 ROAS, it didn't keep it, most probably because it got afraid. Then we have 74 sales over here, it didn't keep it again with 307 closing. And then again and again the same situation, 57, 3.43, 296, you see 36 spent, 32. All of these guys is piling up, and these are bad decisions that you are taking and you're closing. But this is taking, closing, and it's piling up for you so that you are having a lot of campaigns. So look here, 65, 8, 20, 11, just closing ads super fast without even closing 24 hours. And then we are having this campaign, which is very funny actually, because I want to show you. So let's see when this campaign started. 12, 9, okay. So this campaign, I think it started on 11, on 10. On 10 it had 9.55, okay. Then on Saturday it had 0 sales. After all of this, Facebook taught him a big lesson and he didn't close it, okay, because he knew. I was also telling him not to. Then we go here and we see that it's having another sale on 12. On 13, it doesn't have a sale. So if you take again a hasty decision over here, you close it, then it's a problem. Then on 14, it has a sale. Then on 15, it doesn't have a sale. And today, which is 16, maybe I should have created this one day later, it doesn't have a sale. And let me see if it has a checkout. It has 2 checkouts. So if this person is unlucky and it doesn't have a sale today, I'm very curious to see if it's going to keep it, because it's going to be 2 days without a sale and I'm going to feel like it's going to be afraid immediately and closing it. What I'm trying to say is this: when you take a decision about a campaign, keep it and keep it for some days in order to see if it's going to work or not. If you see that it has good results and good cost per click and everything, relaunch it and try to see if you can optimize it all over again, or if you can have good results. I already made a video about how relaunch helped me have a campaign that wasn't working before to work just 2 days later, just because of the randomness of the initial result. Last thing, don't spend small amounts of money here and there, because at the end of the day they compile up. And it doesn't matter if you spend 1,500 in a whole month, it really matters how much you spend per day. So if you want to spend a budget that it doesn't make sense for you to get a sale, or in order for you to get a sale you need 9 ROAS or whatever, then don't do it. Do less days advertisement and more budget in a daily level, because this is how Facebook is working. Facebook is working with daily budgets that they're going to reset. So that's what I have. I think it's actually a very interesting case in order to see how you are having a bad account. So this one now had some success. If it continues like this, most probably if it's going to close, and this is not stability, guys, by the way, okay, it's just 5 days. If this person is going to be panicked and close it, then he's losing all of the effort that he has done. And then if we see also on the last 30 days, we can see that we are on 1.82, which is because of this small here and there and there and there. If one of these campaigns was going to stay and you were going to optimize it, most probably the results were going to be better. Okay, so the whole point is optimizing, not to just throw campaigns all the time or touch them all the time or try to improve them or try to do whatever, because you are actually ruining all of your results with that. I hope that this live example is going to help you. But on the other hand, I know that a lot of people that they just start to do now Facebook ads, they have a very big fear, which I totally understand it because I had it, and let me tell you that it's one of the most difficult things to overcome your fear about Facebook ads. I'm not afraid anymore. I'm doing campaigns with 3K in just one campaign and spending 20, 30, 40K. I'm not afraid anymore of it. But I really understand someone who is spending their own money and they're starting now, spending $100 per day maybe look intimidating. But let me tell you that whatever you do and the more you overcome your fear, you will be becoming better and better and better with Facebook ads. Please don't touch your ads all the time. It's going to make things worse. So just to conclude, if you make a decision about a campaign, support it. Don't just go and close it. See if you can optimize it. See if you can do something without it. This is why we like the crazy method. This is why we like Advantage Plus with a lot of ads in order for you to be able to optimize. Because if you're just doing campaigns, closing them and so on, at the end of the day, you're going to be losing money instead of making money. I know that Facebook is not a stable platform, but we always need to seek some stability by just doing campaigns that we're going to optimize so that they can stay for as long as they can. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course and my website. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.